Hey guys, today I'll show you how to recover deleted draft video on TikTok. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, let me delete my draft video so I can show you how I recovered it. As you can see, our draft video was recovered successfully. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.